Oh, hi guys. I just woke up. Parang boses. I don't know kung makakanta ko. And this is my room. Yes. This is the hotel that I'm staying. My stuff, everything there are, nakakalat pa. My God. Ngayon, gising ko lang. Sarap matulog. And, hi, Ate Maricel. And this time, yan na ang gulo na mga gamit ko, oh. And, hi, Moti. This is my room. So, maybe later I'm going to make some videos about my room in the hotel. What else? This is my room. Hi, how are you? I have 2.5 million. Morning. Hi, Rafi. Oh my God. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I know, right? I like my room. I will make some videos here. I do not know what. Not today. But I will. Nagawa ka ng mga videos. And wala akong boses. And then tomorrow, mamaya mga alas 6, sarap patulog dyan, Sobra. Kagigising ko lang, so namamalat pa nga ako, sarap matulog. And then, mamaya bababa ako. Shit, I hate this phone. Bababa ako mamaya para punta sa Bacala. And then, bibili ako ng makakain, ng Hi, Bong! Wow! Yes! Yeah! Dapat panoorin niyo ako sa mga videos ko, ha? Kasi kakanta kami ng friends ko. Yaman! Siyempre, paano hindi mayaman? Nasa ilang milyon yung ang mahal. 1 week lang ako dito. Yes, babalik ako dyan sa kaharian natin. Babalik ako dyan sa kaharian soon. So, don't worry. I'll be there. Ngayon, parang ayoko umalis dito. Gusto ko dito. Bakasyon ako sa Abhat 1 month. Oo, sinabihan na kita na magkita tayo. And then, ikaw ayaw mo rin. Kasi gusto ko nga talaga magpasyal-pasyal tayo sa Abha. And then, ayun. Hi, Jepoy! Hi! Ito yung room ko, diba? Diba ang ganda? Teka. Ano to? Nasaan na ba yung pat-pat? Kakainis ka, Bong. 1 month ka dyan sa Abha pagkatapos hindi ka Grabe, makapat-pat ka. Nakagising ko lang. So, nasa future ako ngayon. Advance kami ng 4 hours. Advance kami ng 4 hours against Saudi Arabia. So, anong oras na ba? Ayun. Yan, nandiyan pala yung ko. Jepoy, grabe ka, Poy. Grabe, namamalat pa yung boses ko. Diba? Ayun, nag-exit ako ng Saudi. Tapos, immigration Indonesia visa exemption. 14. Buti nagising ka pa. Grabe. Ala, ang sama naman ito. Mamaya sasunduin nila ako 8 o'clock. So, kind of excited. And I'm not sure Kasi wala akong boses, oh. Ah! Ganun. So, yun. Sa hindi nakakaalam, I cut my hair. And, oh, yeah. And, what else? Balik ka na, gawa na tayo vlog. Oo, soon. Grabe, kakarating ko lang dito. Grabe kayo, ha? Inaano ka, ha? Inaano ka? Ayun. Tapos, hi, Ber! What's up, guys? Rain Cloud Frost. Hello. What's up, guys? Ayun, so, miss ka na ni... Shh! Shh! Hey! Hey! Tumimik ka! Ano yan? So, nag-update lang para hindi mag-worry. Ang mga friends ko na nag-worry. So, syempre, kailangan update lang. Ayun. Hey, what's up, guys? Oh my God. Oh, grabe. I like it here. Maganda pala ang bansa nila, no? Maganda yung country nila. Hindi naman ganun ka-boring. And then, there's a lot of things to see. A lot of things to do. And as long as you have money. Wala mo passport mo, gaga. Ayan, dito yung passport ko. Oh, yan, oh, yan. Yan, pwede mo wala. Tsaka may safe dito. So, mag-showroom tayo. Paano ba? Because, like mo dyan, huwag ka na bumalik. Wala, grabe ka. Ano lang, nagagandahan lang ako. Yeah. Actually, pwede akong stay dito for 30 days. Pero hindi ako pwede akong stay dito for 30 days because may work ako. And, ayun. Diba? So, ano ba grabe, may wrong turn dyan. Ala! Room service promo. Malum massage. Pasta and sandwiches. Meat and poultry. 4 cheese pizza. Meat lovers mushroom. Cheesy carbonara. Wow. Tapos desserts. Gatouche. Chocolate. Upside down. Lemon meringue. May Sky Terrace sila dito, so I want to check them out. I'll check them out later. Siguro. Yeah. Hi, AQC Maldita. Yeah, hello. Nice. First time in my live here. Your first time. Press dial 6 for order. Okay. But I won't order this time kasi lalabas ako. Yan. Kaya talaga bagsak na talaga ako. So, naka-recover ako so far. So, I need to prepare myself. Prepare na ako ng mga ano ko. Kasi grabe, tinan nyo, oh. Ang gulo ng gamit ko, oh. Shit. Sobrang gulo talaga. So, what am I gonna do? What am I do? Tingnan natin yung lighting. Ngayon may TV ako doon. Doon may TV. Tapos, yun, ang ganda ng background kasi. And dito ko ilagay siya. Ayan. So, ganyan pala. So yun guys, mga friends ko. It's only a quick update. And I won't stay for long sa live kasi I need to fix up to fix my things because alis kami ng mga friends ko, they were going to meet me and we're going to do some singing, and I'm not sure if how many videos we're going to make today, but I wanna sing. I think the most important thing is I'm going to sing the Indonesian song, and after that I'm going to sing and do some vlogs. Yeah, I think that's the only thing I'm going to do for today, because tomorrow we're going to Jollibee. Watch that vlog. Oh my god, I need to edit the videos before I go. I need to go now, guys. Have a great day. Stay positive. I love you guys. Bye. See you on my other live here in Facebook, and try to check my videos on YouTube, okay? In my bio.